Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. In the last video, we shared how to get an aesthetic body at home. Someone commented, what exercise is required for that type of body? As I promised, this video will definitely help you. So grab your resistance bands, dumbbells, and get ready to work those muscles like never before. First of all, subscribe to our channel now. More helpful content is coming for you. Back to the video. All right, folks, let's dive right into it. We've got the ultimate game plan to target every inch of your body. From chest to biceps, shoulders to triceps, we've got you covered. First up, let's talk about that chest that's gonna make your t-shirt look like it's about to burst. The OG exercise for chest gains, UAT push-ups. No fancy equipment is needed, just you, the floor, and your determination. Drop and give me 20. Start slow, but keep challenging yourself by increasing your reps. There are different types of push-ups. Diamond push-ups are very effective. But if it feels hard, you can start with classic push-ups. Grab your trusty resistance bands, folks. These versatile bands are like your secret weapon for killer bicep gains. Set them up, stand tall, and curl those bands towards your shoulders. Feel the burn? Because that's your ticket to sleeve-busting arms. Let's talk about shoulders, the part that completes your aesthetic look. Dumbbells are your best friends here. Hold them at your sides and lift them outwards until they're parallel to the ground. Side raises, they're like waving hello to those perfectly rounded shoulders. Keep your form in check and you'll be turning heads in no time. Let's do triceps. Let's get those arms sculpted from all angles. It's dip time. Find a bench or parallel bars and dip it low. Lower your body and then push it back up. Feel that burn in the back of your arms. That's the triceps responding to the call of an aesthetic body. Remember, it's not just about the exercises. It's about consistency, determination, and a sprinkle of sweat. Keep sweating, keep striving, and keep pushing towards that aesthetic masterpiece. Stay fit and fabulous, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.